In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color grade in Affinity Photo. We're going to keep things simple and non-destructive so you can adjust as you go without damaging your original image. Start by opening Affinity Photo with your image visible on the canvas. At the top of the interface, click Pixel so you're working in the right environment for pixel-based edits and adjustment layers. This ensures the tools we use behave as expected for photo work and gives you full control over color and tone. Next, move to your Layers area and hover over New Adjustment Layer to reveal the list of color tools. Choose White Balance. This is your foundation for natural-looking color. Use the temperature slider to make the image warmer or cooler. Warming adds amber tones, cooling adds blue. Then fine-tune with the tint slider to balance green and magenta. Aim for neutrals that look clean. Whites should look white, and grays should feel neutral, not shifted. Watch skin tones and any known whites in the scene as your reference. Subtle moves are best. Small adjustments often make the biggest difference. If things start to look off, ease the sliders back towards center until the image feels balanced and believable. With a good white balance set, click Pixel at the top again, hover over New Adjustment Layer, and choose Curves. Curves let you sculpt contrast and overall brightness with precision. Click on the curve to add a couple of points, then make a gentle shape to deepen shadows slightly and lift highlights for pleasing contrast. Keep an eye on midtones. This is where most detail and skin tones live, so the image stays natural. Tiny nudges go a long way. Listen to the image and adjust until the tones feel crisp but not harsh. For more creative color grading within the same tool, you can target individual color ranges to nudge mood subtly, like warming brighter areas and cooling darker ones, while keeping the overall balance intact. That's the core workflow. Set a clean base with white balance, then shape contrast and mood with curves. You now have a flexible color grade you can refine anytime as your creative direction evolves.